Today, Sunbeam will be constructing an equilateral triangle. The three items you will need are a straight edge, a compass, and a pencil. Now, we first begin by drawing a segment. Doesn't matter how big or how small, just a segment. Now, we need to copy this segment using our compass. And how you do that is you put your point, not the lead, but the point, on one end of the segment. Next, extend the rest of the compass to match the length of the segment. Sunbeam will make a reference arc. Not too big, but just right enough for there. Now, Sunbeam will now draw two segments from each point of the segment to the intersection. And there you go, one equilateral triangle. Now Sunbeam will be constructing a perpendicular through a point on the line. We need to start by drawing a segment. Sunbeam will now place a point on the line. Now, the only problem we have here is the segment is not long enough for this method of construction, so we will elongate the segment. This method we're going to use is called the TIE Fighter method. Sunbeam will place his point on the line. He will now draw two reference arcs on either side of the dot on the line. Now Sunbeam will draw two intersecting arcs from each reference arc he drew. Sunbeam will now draw a line intersecting through the point of intersection from the arcs and the point on the line. And there you have it. A point that is intersected by a perpendicular. Now, Jaden will be forming a 30 degrees and 45 degree angle. What we have to do first is create a 60, 60, 60 degrees angular equilateral triangle. So first, we must draw a segment. So now, what we have to do is create an angle bisector on one of these angles. So now we need a reference angle that goes across two sides of the entire triangle. What you do then is you put a point on one of the intersections and you create new reference angles. Now, we connect all the intersections between the new reference angles we connected with the vertex. And there you go. We now have a 30 degree angle. Right there. Now, we will be creating a 45 degree angle using the perpendicular lines that we created earlier. Now, Jaden, can you please bisect the angle by creating a reference arc from the vertex? Of course. Now, we create two new reference arcs. Now, we connect the intersections with the vertex. And there you have it, a 45-degree angle created from two perpendicular lines.
To locate the circumcenter of a triangle, Justin must first construct a triangle. And now that that's done, he must draw the perpendicular bisector of every side of the triangle. Now that that's done, the point where everything intersects, that is the circumcenter of a triangle.